Hey everyone, welcome back to Filmora MVP YouTube channel. Today, we will introduce you to top 10 TikTok ads, TikTok brand campaigns examples worth looking at. Then let's get started. Netflix wins with user-generated content. Netflix is the second most followed brand on TikTok. It has a massive pool of original content such as interviews with actors, humorous skits, and video clips from the latest shows. Averagely, 3 posts per day gain over 1 million followers monthly. Their user-generated content has worked very well. The hashtag #What'sYourPowerAR branded effect got used by over 112,000 people. It is likely the most significant amount of UGC for any brand on TikTok so far. E.L.F Cosmetics sets trends with TikTok Live. Cosmetic brand E.L.F is a frontrunner in the best beauty brands on successful TikTok campaign examples. It is one of the first beauty brands to market through TikTok. The beauty brand recently created an NFT collection that promotes cryptocurrency, and the group launched its Twitch channel. Amazon tracks sales through TikTok ambassadors. Amazon is the third most #challenged brand on TikTok. They recognize influencers' potential, which is why they partnered with over 40 micro and mega influencers in a single Amazon fashion campaign as one of the best TikTok campaign ideas to carry their #PajamaJam challenge to the next level. GYMSHARK sets the bar for fitness on TikTok as an early adopter. The brand posts high-quality videos consistently and has a good understanding of its audience's desire. It shares workout videos, motivational content, and a solid mix of memes, which have helped them earn over 3.3 million fans on TikTok. Marc Jacobs perfects TikTok duets. Marc Jacobs mastered the art of TikTok duets and TikTok brand campaigns and propelled it to be one of the most followed brands on TikTok. The company launched branded #challenges in the form of TikTok adverts, and each time the TikTok duet feature is utilized, their #PerfectAsIam campaign, which constituted duets with Ricky Thompson and other 3 influencers in summer 2020, ended with 10.4 billion views. The challenge aimed at encouraging self-love, celebrating pride and individuality. 3 massive TikTok influencers, Jojo Siwa, Bretman Rock, and Ricky Thompson were featured. Over 13.7 billion views and more than 2,000 UGC accumulated from their campaigns. DUNKIN warms up to Gen Z with Charli D'Amelio. DUNKIN is undoubtedly one of the best food brands on TikTok. It has more than 21 million likes and over 3 million followers. Its popularity with Gen Z on TikTok comes from their endorsement with TikTok star Charli D'Amelio. In a smart move, a long-term sponsorship with Charli solidified their influence since she was already a proud Dunkin' patron. Dunkin' beverages appeared in over 120 of her TikToks, mostly unsponsored products. FLIGHTHOUSE is a content powerhouse. The most followed brand account on TikTok is FLIGHTHOUSE, running one of the successful TikTok campaigns. It has over 30 million followers, and it specializes in producing viral social media content, especially on TikTok. Videos from this brand have more likes than any other branded account, ranking it 4th amongst the most linked accounts on TikTok. For comparison, FLIGHTHOUSE has over 1 billion more likes than Michael Lee, a TikTok star with 50 million followers. So far, FLIGHTHOUSE has produced 4,300 TikToks, a greater content volume than any other brand on the app. Red Bull bolsters brand awareness with suspenseful footage. Red Bull is one of the largest branded content producers with over 2,660 videos, which is much higher than Charli D'Amelio and Addison Rae. Its consistent, unique, and humorous content helped the brand receive around 1.2 million likes on TikTok every month. They share a hilarious flop for every terrifying trick. The trick has far been effective at ensuring their audiences still has attention for them. Blue Diamond Almonds shows brand it's not too late to try TikTok. Blue Diamond Almonds brand hasn't been presented on TikTok till June 2021. This time, they launched an enticing food challenge that highlighted their new line of spicy almonds. After partnering with 3 food influencers, the #28extremes challenge got promoted. The sponsored video with food creator @ColinCreates received 322 likes and over 10.1 million views, thus becoming his most viewed video ever. So far, it has received over 11.6 billion views. Dick's Sporting Goods makes a game-time decision with TikTok ad features. Dick's Sporting Goods does not have the most considerable TikTok presence as it only has around 42,100 followers. Until they launched their first branded hashtag challenge, #NewFitFeelin', involved 6 influencers and inspired 1,136 pieces of UGC. It came to pass without using any branded effects. They utilized TikTok's branded effect option during their second campaign, Welcome Back. The campaign had accumulated 7,020 UGC despite being launched at the beginning of August 2021. An impressive 500% plus rise in UGC got recorded due to the branded effect usage. That's all for today. Let me know your feedback in the comments. I love hearing about all your thoughts after watching our videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and let us know what else you want to learn in the comments. See you next time. Bye!